for the camera, baby?
You commit 2 arms to one guy's leg, and that doesn't leave anything to defend yourself against punches. And, you know, Chael is sitting on his leg. He's got all his weight on his leg, which is the right way to defend this, and then Dan gives up on it. Now Chael's got his back. Chael's on top of him, inside control. And dropping some brutal elbows down. Son in a good pace to the start of this fight. Miller looked to finish with the choke early. He's grinding him down here, too. Like he's getting his face up against the cage. He's smashing his face down with elbows here. Dan Miller pulls it back in a half guard. But Chael Sonnen is being relentless here. Staying on it, landing punches. When once asked what his strengths were, Chael Sonnen answered, "I'm the fastest white man alive, and I go hard the whole time. Excellent wrestler.
Oh, and you just
constant
pooped.
pressure." Not the fastest thing, but I'll tell you what, I see
And
the
you
constant
pooped.
pressure.
Yay, that's good.
Working the midsection now.
Yeah, you did it.